Alright, we're back. I've discovered that the damage is quite extensive, which is normal when you hit a wall at 80, 90 clicks. What do you expect? Of course it's going to be extensive. Anyway, so look, plan of attack is now I need to drop the fuel tank. I emptied it last night. I'm going to take it out today. I need to straighten up this beaver, and I need to pull the quarter panel over 20-25 mil. So when I push this in, this is going to come back and it's going to allow me to close the boot. Once I've straightened it, I am going to cut the quarter. I'm going to work out exactly where I'm going to cut it. I can either pull it out from the seams here, undo all the tacks, and pull the outer skin out. I've got to pull the glass out. I'm going to pull this off to replace it with this. I've got a new quarter panel, picked it up from Newcastle. That is ready to go straight onto this baby. So that's the plan. First things first, I'm going to drop the fuel tank, and that's what we're going to do now. Let's go. Right, so I've jacked the car up, taken the wheel off because I need to get up in here. In here there's a bolt I need to take off for the spout. It goes down to the tank. Then I've got to undo this bolt here, which holds the strap for the fuel tank, so that's got to come off. And then there's another one at the front here, so that one's got to come off. And the tank should drop out. So I've got the tank out. I'm working out whether I'm going to clean it and put it back in the car, or I'm going to change and put a fuel cell in it. I don't know yet, I'll work it out, but that's that. Now the car's up, I can see everything I need to do, especially underneath. I can easily get underneath and work on it, which is going to be great. But first off, pizza. It's pizza time. I worked out while I was eating what I'm going to do to the car right now, and I've decided instead of trying to straighten up all this, I'm just going to cut it all out. Same with the boot, because the chassis rail goes like this and curves. Same thing, curves and then goes down. So I'm going to cut along the inner side of the chassis rail all the way around. Cut all this out because I don't need the wheel well anymore, and if I decide to put the fuel tank in, then I can resheet it. If I decide to go with a fuel cell, then I can mount the brackets and do it properly. But right now I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to unpick the beaver. I've already started here. I did a few cracks here so you can move. Like, look at the kinks here, like all of this. Like, to try and straighten this up is like trying to straighten up a piece of paper after you've scrunched it up, you know, like it's not happening. That's going to be the easiest way to fix this, and let's go, let's get it done. I can't wait, I'm pumped. Alright, so I've unpicked it and smashed it out with a hammer and chisel. Now it's time just to reef it off. There's some parts that are still stuck, but we'll get it off. Bit of elbow grease. That's off. And there you go. And there you are. There's the back beaver. Off, unpicked and off. So I got the boss with me. She's come to give me a hand to push it out. How you going there, mate? You good?
I'm doing
you getting ready?
good.
You getting ready?
I'm getting ready.
All right, let's go.
Just going to break the timber so there's nothing behind it. Okay, there. Go for your right. Yeah. Good. Now we're ready? Yeah. Wait. Is that where you're going to pull? Is that where you're going to push?
Yeah.
In that spot?
Yeah.
All right.
Now, I think it's moving back.
It is.
Yeah, it's going this way. It's fucking digging into the thing. It's not pushing this out.
When?
Struggle buses.
Can you pump while I'm watching?
Oh, it's moving.
Yeah. Can you pump?
That was the original mark.
All right. Can you pump?
Show your son! You understand me? Show your son!
We're moving. This is going in. That's going out. Don't worry about that. That'll come back. And that's how that shit works. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yay! Keep going! Boot closed!
Good stuff.
A little bit more.
So right now I'm using a slide hammer to help me pull out this side here. So give me sort of the same clearance as this side here. So the creases look the same. The boot closes, but I can tell it needs a bit of pulling here. Don't worry, I'll line this up, Matt. Oh, the boot's kinked. Mad. So I just realised the boot's kinked. Some good times here. Ah, you know what he's doing. Woo. Alright, so I did a whole bunch of panel work. I smashed out, you know, tried to straighten up the back, tried to straighten up the boot. I'm still working out whether I'm going to keep it or not. We'll see how we go. Did some panel work around here, like straightened up as much as I could here. The boot closes. Thank God for that.